Here's where you can go to change the default home screen or the default system launcher on your Poco phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. To find and change to another system launcher, use the quick access like this here, pull it down once, and you'll look for the system setting toggle right here. Once you tap on that, you'll see this right here, and I want you to go down until you see where it says apps. This right there. As you enter into the apps section, you want to pay attention to the top right here. Tap on that one time and you'll see other settings, this one right here. As you go into the other settings section, you're going to see all these options, but go to where it says default apps right here. And here's where you can change the default apps settings. You'll see all the different ones, but you're looking for the one that says launcher right there. So as you go into the launcher here, you're going to see different options. Now, if you only see one or two, chances are you need to go into the Play Store and install those that are compatible. These like Nova Launcher and Smart Launcher are usually compatible with Poco and Xiaomi phones. So go ahead and check those out and see if they're going to work for you. Now, once you have them installed, they will appear here and you can select the ones that you want. So you can simply tap on it one time. Nothing is going to happen, but as you come out of here, let's just say you go into the home screen here, you'll notice that there's going to be prompts and all that stuff to get started. So it's up to you to make that decision, and later on you can go back into the settings and choose another launcher or go back to the default one. It's really up to you, but this is how you would go about changing it. And that's that for this guide here. Like and sub.